Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Turner, local and long distance movers near me. A local move is very simple until you get very confused in between. Even if you've lived in Turner for a while, you may not know some things. For instance, did you know that Turner has 3 villages in the town? One of these villages has the exact Turner name, while the others known as Turner Center and North Turner. A small detail like that could make you travel in circles during a local trip. Instead of risking such a time-wasting possibility, why not hire Turner local movers to help you with this navigation? 3 Movers is one of the best local movers in Turner with excellent navigation. Most of our local moving teams are always local movers with an understanding of Turner. We know the terrains and neighborhoods by their names, so you can rest assured that your items will get to you as quickly and safely as possible. Our Turner Long Distance 3 Movers can help you plan for these challenges beforehand. We've been operational in long distance travel for a while now, so we know how to prepare for and how to avoid such expenses. Once you give us details of your relocation, we'll devise a viable plan that works for you and us. We'll also analyze challenges and make different preparations. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Turner moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.